Here are my 3 favorite types of Hermes scarves for the summer, and I'll show you why I think they work perfectly. First favorite, this is a size 45 silk chiffon. It's like a very thin veil, super lightweight. Here it is on, perfect for the hot weather and doesn't add a lot of extra bulk. Next favorite is the twillie, super cute with the birds. I have 2 ways that I like to tie this one. One is just around the neck like this, like that. Or if it's even hotter, sometimes I will twist it, tie that. Now it's like a little choker and we have even less fabric. A good option for the summer. My last option is a little bit heavier. It is this beautiful pleated Hermes scarf. The pleats make it a little bit lighter and a little bit thinner. It's a 90, but it doesn't have as much bulk as a non-pleated 90. I just like to tie it really simple like that. And that's another really pretty, fairly lightweight option for the summer.